kubwa mpaka kwenda juu, Taita Taveta should be given an affirmative special allocation.
Nyakor mgajongo pogrogi mano ni familia mag ji adek manyocha omaki gi obila ka oriwo jandiko ne riwruoga Azimio yor mbui Pauline Njoroge. Onyiso luoro ni mar nyaka sani pok ochwal jogo e doho. Ji adek go ne owinjore chwal e doho ma Malindi e kaunti mano ma Kilifi. Okinde mag familia magi wacho ni pok giyudo ler e wi jogegi manyocha obila omako. Ne gichopo e doho mano ma Watamu mar ng'eyo adiera mar wach makamano. Pauline Njoroge nyocha omaki gi obila mago kwach kich e gwenge mag Watamu ka obila wacho ni nyocha oyude gi yedhe mamiroje.
We went to Malindi law courts in the morning waiting for our clients like we have previously briefed you. They were not produced, but we are aware that there were other arrested persons from the same station at Watamu who have been produced before the court. They were held in the same cells. But as we speak, our clients are still being held in police cells. A decision has not been made to produce them either in court or a police bail. We have been told that there are some orders and directions that are yet to be taken from above. We do not know which above is this. We've been able to see the OCS, Watamu Police Station. As we speak to you, we are there now, and is still not able to make a decision as to who should authorize that Pauline and Co. be produced before a court of law. We continue insisting that, and we have told the OCS that any time that tickles continues to violate and infringe on our clients' rights.
Tunaomba serikali iangalie ya kwamba kama hawa wenzetu ambao kama Madam Pauline Njoroge, yeye ni kiongozi wa chama cha Jubilee, kama hawana kosa lolote wasiendelee kusuiliwa, waachiliwe, na kama kuna kosa linaonekana mawakili wetu wamefika, wafikishwe mahakamani ili koti iweze kutoa uamuzi.
Johala mama magugini hebo mama thika dwaro